Alright guys, so I got this S-Type exhaust from Borla. It's about to go into my truck. I'm about to cut out this old one. I mean, this exhaust sounds like a Tesla. You can't even hear it. So I'm just gonna put in this S-Type. I was gonna go with the Attack, but it's just too loud, too aggressive, and I decided to go with the single instead of the true dual. So, but I like Borla. I've had it on like 3 other vehicles. I have it on my work truck. I got one on my car, and but the Attack is just too loud to me. But for daily driving, I would say. But yeah, Borla's pretty good exhausts. I've never had any problems with them. They have a 1,000,000-mile warranty. This is the S-Type. I didn't get the carbon fiber tips because I wanted to go black, because the back of my truck, everything's blacked out pretty much on my truck. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with the coated tips and get this exhaust cut out of this truck, get this exhaust up underneath it. So should be pretty cut and dry, and I'm literally gonna start cutting. So yeah, let's get this out and get this in. All right. Hangers come off easy. The truck's fairly new. Okay. Just gonna cut these off. Speed up this process. Bada bing! Oh, nasty shit out of here. Oh, this pipe's laying right on my pipe. Bada bing! Bada boom! Oh, that's flat like that? All right. Don't want to tighten these up. Yeah, you still gotta finesse the exhaust into where you want it. Okay, bada bing. Okay, bada bing. Like I said, you don't want to tighten none of this shit up yet. Just snug it. Teach me how to snuggie. Teach me how to snuggie. Okay. 5/8 at, bro. It's my hand, bro. Okay. You don't want to tighten these up. You just want to keep them snug. To position the exhaust. What do you want it? Bada bing. Oh, smoky. Hey, yeah. Hold up. We'll take this. This stuff only goes together one way. You know what I'm saying? Not rocket science. Okay. I'm not going to tighten this up. I'm just going to snug it. Just snug it up. Teach me how to snug it. Okay. Get my hangers back on here. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna need these. Okay. I'll try to do this way. We get one hanger on here. Hold it for me. Bada bing. All right. Okay. Slide that down on there. Like that. Know what I'm saying? Bada bing. There we go. And we'll get this hanger in place. And I fucked up because I didn't put my clamp on there. Okay. Whoa. All right. Easy day, right? Boom. Get you on there. Let's get this on my nice vibration isolator hanger, exhaust hanger. Okay. All right. I mean, you can have that. What's it looking? However way you want it to look, I guess. I want it flat like that. Okay. We'll get the two tailpipes on. We're done. I'm all my hangers back on here. Put that one in there. Where's my screw at? The bolt. All right, got a little tit right here. Just goes in the hole. Ba boom. Slide it in there. Okay. I'll tighten these down and get these tailpipes in. Okay. I don't know what the torque is on these, but my elbow's calibrated, so. Click. All right. Let's get these tailpipes in here. get you on there. Okay. And we're gonna take this joker. Put that on there. Take this, right? Same thing. Slide it in. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Slide that in. And again, don't tighten anything up until we get these tips in, everything where we want it. Okay. All right. So now let's get these off and get the tips up in there. I lied to you guys. There's actually 3 screws. There's one here, and one on the top. Okay. So you take those 3 screws out. You got 3 screws. You got one here, one here. They're kind of tricky to reach. So yeah. And you have one on the top. So one on the top, 2 on the side. That's it. I think taking these off takes longer than putting the exhaust in. All right. Get these off. So 1, 2, 3. Slide it. The tips on there. I'm not gonna tighten them up all the way. Like I said. Okay, so I just have to adjust my tips, tighten everything up, and I'm done. I started this about 9:05, and it's 10:10, so a little over an hour. You can take this out and put it in yourself. So it's probably gonna take me 15 minutes to go back and tighten everything up, and then we'll be done. I'll fire this thing up. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, so I'm just going through now. I'm gonna tighten this all up, starting from the front of the vehicle. And work my way back, make sure that's on there good, it's centered, so you don't have any leaks. All right. Tighten one up. Just put it straight where you want it. Okay. So you up on your pipe all the way. There's no gap. So I got this where I want it. I want it just flush, but you can still almost read the Borla on the exhaust. I got 2 fingers here. Got 2 fingers there. So it looks pretty good. Probably bring it down just a little bit more on this side here. Probably too much. So yeah, you can mess around with these, adjust them how you want, and yeah, you'll be good to go. All right, here comes the first cold start. Okay, so I've gotten this exhaust all installed. It's pretty simple. If you got some help, you can probably do it in about an hour. If you have a lift, it's gonna go even faster. I don't have a lift. Luckily, my truck is lifted, so I can just, wheel underneath there real easy. But if you don't have a lift and your truck's not lifted, then it might be a little bit more difficult. I'm gonna have to jack it up. But anyway, I like the looks of it. It's better than the old factory exhaust, that's for sure. It looks better, sounds better, and I like it. But what I did do is I purchased these 2 extensions. These are for an extended bed. I purchased them by mistake. they're probably not going to take them back. So if someone needs these, if you plan on buying this exhaust, this is a 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 6.2. So if you decide to buy this exhaust, it's going to be part number from Borla, part number 140774BC. Okay, that's the exhaust. That's the exhaust part number, and these two pieces, the part number for these two extension pieces for your tips is going to be 60706. So if you plan on buying this exhaust and you're a follower or you're down there in the comments, let me know before you buy that exhaust, and I will send you these two pieces because I'm not going to use them. They're probably not going to take them back. You just pay the shipping. I'll send those to you because those two parts are about $90 a piece when you order them. Okay. It's going to be part number 60706. So if you need these two pieces, you have to order these separate from the exhaust. But if you need them, let me know, and I'll be glad to send them out to you. You just pay for the shipping, and we'll take care of that however. But anyway, this exhaust is really sleek. I like it. It's not as loud as the Attack, but it's definitely good for a daily driver, and I'm sure it's going to sound good when it's under a load. So if you guys like these videos, make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. And yeah, man, I'm on to the next one.